This is an absolutely critical moment here for the Bitcoin price. We could possibly see a move of close to 50% in either direction right here, right now, and I want to explain why. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would remember that on my last video, I was pointing out how there's a rumor going around that several members at the Federal Reserve are allegedly stating that they have concerns that the rate hiking cycle is too aggressive and that it could actually hurt the economy and the markets more than they intended to in the first place. And this news came out on Friday of last week, and you can see here the S&P 500 absolutely loved it. It gobbled it right up and stuck in a plus 3% move. And looking at the pre-market futures action here today, it does appear at the time of recording that the market could be poised for another higher open. Now, keep in mind, this rally is basically being fueled by a rumor. So this, in my opinion, definitely has a high potential to just fail. But if we can see the S&P 500 get above its prior swing high at about 38.18, ladies and gentlemen, this would increase the probability, in my opinion, for a move up towards 4,100. If we can see the S&P get above 38.20, close above there, and look to continue its move, for me, the probability of a move up towards possibly around 41.20 definitely increases. And we should all know, if you are subscribed to this channel, that Bitcoin has been extremely correlated with the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 over the past few months, in my opinion. So if we do continue to see the S&P move up here, this could be very bullish for Bitcoin in the short term. But before we get on to our next critical piece of information, we do have to snap back to reality for a moment. Please understand, ladies and gentlemen, that if we do see the S&P 500 break above this resistance and start to move higher, this could very well just be an absolutely heinous bear market rally that fails, rolls over, and then we look to stick in a new lower low and continue this bear market trend of lower highs and lower lows. I think that this is a concept that many new market participants struggle with, especially in the crypto market. The trend hasn't changed, right? Even if we move up to this point, it's still doing the same exact thing that it's done for months and months and months. What I'd be looking for in terms of a longer term trend change would be a climb to a new higher high, and then upon the correction, a higher low, and then another higher high. It's at that point, ladies and gentlemen, that I could start to look at this and say, hey, the opposite of what's been happening in the bear market is starting to happen over here. And that's when I could say, listen, the bottom may be in, and going long and looking for dip buying opportunities may start to become more attractive for me than looking to go short at resistance and looking to continue to ride this thing down. Now, I'm speaking about Bitcoin, not even necessarily the S&P 500, but they've been very correlated. So I'm just talking about the two kind of lumped together here. So I think that this is tough for people to understand in Bitcoin, that the market can move wildly to the upside and then continue back down without really seeing any structure change in the trend, okay? Just keep in mind, back from June to August, we had a multi-month rally in the S&P 500 that moved it up nearly 20%. And then we stuck in a new lower low, folks, okay? This is the type of move that's designed to trap degenerates in it, okay? Because they don't respect that we're in a bear market, and they just have this dream of a moonshot in a Lamborghini, and they want to throw all of their money into the market on a reactionary rally, a relief rally that's normal in a bear market before continuing down. So please understand, by no means here am I stating that the bear market for Bitcoin and the S&P must be over if we start to see this rally continue through resistance. I'm just stating that it's possible that it could be leading to a short to mid-term relief rally here that could pop the market higher before then seeing it dump once again. Let's get this crypto. If you are enjoying thus far, before we get to our next critical piece of information, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for the thumbs up. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you do not miss any more of the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis on YouTube, period. Welcome to the channel. Now, before we move over to the Bitcoin chart, I just want to take a look at this news headline here from Newswires. Cryptocurrencies wobble as tech heavyweight earnings add to Fed-led market volatility. Cryptocurrencies wobbled Monday, with traders likely to be beholden to volatility in equity markets as large technology companies report earnings this week, while they also await the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation for September. Okay, folks, the big takeaway here is that large technology companies report earnings this week. So, as we should all know, the NASDAQ 100 and the Bitcoin chart have been very closely correlated in my opinion, and if we are going to see earnings come out this week and they're less than favorable, this could dump the market. If we see the earnings come out more than favorable, this could pump the market. Just something to keep in mind as Bitcoin squeezes into the apex of the pattern that we're going to take a look at now. We're at a very interesting crossroads here on Bitcoin, right, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, we're squeezing into the apex of this pennant pattern formation, which really, in my opinion, could be a gigantic bear flag. I mean, there are a number of ways to draw this. I mean, however you want to chalk it up, it's a descending triangle, okay, with a flat line of support along the bottom, a lower high trajectory of resistance along the top, and then above all else, we do have this horizontal multi-month range of old support that if we look to break up out of this possibly bearish pattern, but if we break up, right, say that the rally continues on Wall Street with the rumor of the Federal Reserve looking to possibly loosen, etc., etc., this, in my opinion, is the area that we could look to see Bitcoin possibly move up to before then continuing the bear market. If we do see a move higher, ladies and gentlemen, understand that this move could be absolutely immense, okay? In my opinion, it could be anywhere from a 30% move, possibly to a nearly 50% move to the upside until we hit our next range of significant confluence where traders may look to take their foot off the gas. Now, I'm not saying that that has a higher probability to happen than to move down. I'm just stating, I pointed out that the S&P 500, if it moves above its local resistance, could look to see a move of maybe 10% higher or so. Well, Bitcoin is a little more volatile than the S&P 500, and our range of confluence is between 30 to nearly 50% higher. Let's get this crypto. But keep in mind here, this is still, until proven otherwise, a bearish pattern amidst a bearish market environment. We're still on a lower high and lower low trajectory. There's no arguing that, right? Just the same as, you know, a few months ago, ladies and gentlemen, I was pointing out, folks, so many people are going to get suckered into this rally here going, look, Kirby, it's higher high than higher lows. Yeah, it's higher highs and higher lows on a micro time frame. Look at the macro, Stunad. It's just bearish, and you're getting caught here looking for bullish things in a market that's overwhelmingly bearish. Unfortunately, I think people in this space are just extremely unrealistic most of the time, and their expectations are way higher than what's actually realistic. And this comes from many people just not being experienced in markets in general, and then also generally investing and or trading with money that they actually can't afford to lose. And that runs extremely prevalent in the cryptocurrency market, more so than others, in my opinion. And this is why we see the emotions run so high in crypto, is because of this. So right now, I mean, until proven otherwise, if this rally on Wall Street does give way and it subsides, we still have a trap door here, folks, that if it's broken, I mean, for me, the targets are all the way down between 12 and 10,000. And why is that, you may ask? Well, let me just show you here again. You would know this if you're subscribed to this channel, but if we pull the fib from that last market cycle low, you would see we have the golden 0.618 fib at around 11,700. If we then actually pull the fib from this low here, we also have another interesting golden fib, the 618, around 10,300. Okay, and then if we take the measured moves here, there are several ways to draw it, so we're going to just draw all of them. Okay, this move here would bring us down, possibly down to about 13,200. Then this move here could possibly bring us down towards about 10,200. And if you want to draw a flagpole, we'll draw this one here. This could bring us down possibly towards 11,000. And if you really want to stretch it out, I mean, this is my least favorite, but I've seen other people draw it like this, so I will draw it just for your own sake here to see it. That flagpole dragged over brings us down towards 7,700. So, I mean, we're in a bearish environment. The structure of the overall trend is nowhere close to changing yet, in my opinion. As I stated, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for a higher high, a higher low, another higher high, right? We're not anywhere near seeing that happen yet. That could take months and months and months to develop. So, I mean, really, what's the takeaway here, right? What's the point, okay? For me right now, it's all about that rumor on Wall Street, and is that going to continue to fuel the speculation in the market right now? It's sick, folks, but to me right now, the global markets, whether it be equities, commodities, cryptos, you name it, they're really right now all victim of the Federal Reserve's policies, and they're just going to continue to see volatility based around rumors, policy changes, etc., until things really kind of ease up, okay? And we don't know how long that's going to be, but the first week of November, we are going to get some more information, hopefully, okay? So I'm expecting massive volatility here, folks. Like I said, still a bear market and a bearish environment until proven otherwise. But if the market is going to be irrational here, and we're going to see Wall Street move higher, maybe we do see Bitcoin break this downward sloping line of resistance. And if that happens, I may potentially look to get aggressive here and maybe play this market to the upside. You guys know that I have been biased shorting this thing to the downside because why? We have been in a bear market with series of lower highs and lower lows. And, you know, there's been opportunity here with clear trade setup ideas, in my opinion, such as this one here when the trap door broke at about 27,000. Shout out to my VIPs. You guys remember that I went short above 27,000 and wound up taking profit all the way down to below 20,000. This is my VIP trade setup idea and alert that you're seeing on your screen right now. Of course, if you do want to get all of my future VIP trade setup ideas and alerts, the link is down below in the description and pinned comment to join VIP. If you're not already in VIP, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. It's just important to remember, folks, that if the market moves up here, it doesn't necessarily mean that the bear market is over. Sure, could it theoretically mean that the bottom is in and we're going up? Absolutely. But until that structure begins to change, the probability is still higher that we're in a bear market, in my opinion, based off classical technical analysis theory. And I hope that makes sense. So just keep your head on straight here, folks. You know, if we do see a move to the upside, well, I may look to potentially strike gold again, playing this thing to the upside, and of course I'll keep you up to date with that in VIP. Again, links to join are down below in the description and pinned comment. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. But the fact of the matter is that if this market is going to stay bearish, well, there may be more opportunity still to short at a higher price point as well. If we don't move up and this just winds up being a fake out, well, we may have some serious downside action in this market. What I like about this spot right now is that, look, to our measured move targets, we could see a drop, in my opinion, of above 40%, right? And if we do move up, we have targets up towards 30 to even possibly close to 50% up. So we're in a spot now where when the move occurs in either direction, we have potential opportunity both ways for a huge move, right? And as a trader, this is what you want, okay? I don't care if it goes up or it goes down. I just want it to go in a big way in either direction so I can potentially make a play and get this crypto. You understand? That's why people that, they hate, ladies and gentlemen, oh, this guy, they don't understand even what this channel is doing. What we're doing here is analyzing the market so that we can potentially crush it whichever way it breaks. Why have I been bearish? Because we've been in a bear market for an entire year, Stunad. Do you not understand? This guy doesn't like Bitcoin. These people are literally moon-tarded, ladies and gentlemen. You understand? I've been in this market for so long. I've seen every type of degenerate and their brother come into this space. To me, it almost feels like I'm in a repetitive dream, or it's just a TV show that I've seen a million times, and the same characters come in. They behave the same way over and over and over again. And I'm just sitting here going, damn, little Jimmy, can't you learn a thing or two from the Don? Don't you understand that Don Carbonaccio, first of his name, last of his kind, king of the bear, heir to the bull, vanquisher of degenerates, and defender of the digital realm, is here to give you some insights? I'm just trying to help these jesters, ladies and gentlemen, but I can only do so much, right? You can only lead the horse to water, but you can't force him to drink, essentially, right? So, I mean, crypto's a funny place, right? Where people that are correct, stating that the market is still bearish and the higher probability for profiting is to the downside, right? Shorting the rip rather than buying the dip, right? You've been correct for so long, yet these people are so emotionally invested that they treat you like you're the bad guy, right? Little Jimmy, do you not understand? I'm not the bad guy. I'm the good guy. All of the people that you've been following, telling you that we're going to the moon, they've been so wrong. They've been holding for down over 70%, Stunad. Yet they show love to these idiots. Yet the Don has been here day in and day out calling the bear market, calling it for what it is. It's whatever, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to wrap this up here. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. Listen, I see a big potential move coming. I already showed you that we have targets down, possibly as much as 45% down, and as high as potentially nearly 50% up. Whichever way it breaks, I don't care. I'm just going to look to potentially crush it and get this crypto. So if you're not already in my VIP, folks, sheesh. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. That is where you will get all of my real-time trade setup ideas, real-time entry ideas, and real-time potential take profit ideas as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. Do not miss out on my next critical VIP update, folks. I'll see you in there right now after this video. Links are down below in the description and pinned comment of this video. Hope you enjoyed here. That's it. So until next time, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the link links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell /long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and/or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.